G'day guys, Will here, welcome back to the channel. So today is a bit of an update video for you because it is a very exciting day, both for me personally as well as for the channel. Now we're in my study area at the moment, and as you can see, it is an absolute mess. There's a very good reason for that. I wanted to give you guys a picture of the day-to-day workings of Boosted Media so you get an idea of what it is that I'm working with and why we're doing what we're going to be doing starting today. So basically, this is the area that I normally work in, and as you can see, it is very small. It's actually the formal dining area of the house. We never really needed to use it as a dining room with the young kids and everything, but normally I'm filming, I've got my camera sitting on top of the screen here and it kind of aims across and you can see down here all the stuff that you would normally see on the shelf, but it's a very tight space, not really ideal, and obviously as you come into the house, you don't really want to be seeing all of this junk on the right hand side. So my wife Jill, as you know, is very patient with all of this, and of course I've got this crazy light sitting above us as well, which is a little bit ridiculous for a office space. But anyway, this area here, as you can see, I've cleared it all out, and this is going to become our studio. So starting today, we're going to be starting construction in about half an hour, hopefully. Basically, we've got a big L-shaped space, and you'll have to ignore the, or excuse me for the echoiness at the moment. We don't have any furniture in here yet, obviously. But basically, this is going to be a big L-shaped room. The simulator is going to sit sort of over here. We're going to sheet all of this off. So we'll put a door in here through the storage area, put a wall across here up to the side, and then sheet all this off as well. We're actually going to sheet over that door so it's no longer a door because we don't really need that anymore. Get rid of all the switches, get rid of all the junk and stuff. The bench is going to go. So the simulator is going to sit in the corner over here, kind of boxed in, and then we're going to have a nice big L-shaped room here. Computer desk will probably actually sit over here up against this wall where I can do all my work and everything, and then we'll have a nice big open space over here. We'll have a floating table as well so we can do assemblies, unboxings, you know, PC builds and all that kind of stuff, and not sort of be crammed in a corner or working on the coffee table like we have in the past. We're also going to be putting in a new wall basically from here across. So we'll get rid of the garage door. The garage door will still be there, but it'll be like a storage area. And we've got a security camera going in the front as well, CCTV all around the house already actually, but we've got an additional camera going in. Also going to have some security cameras in here as well. So it will be nice and secure. Obviously the alarm system will be tapped in as well. So it is a very exciting day, both for me personally as well as for the channel, because it means we're going to have so many more opportunities now to do so many different types of videos, really raise our production quality as well. As you guys would know, over the last few months, I've been spending a lot of time and money as well, you know, buying camera equipment, audio equipment, you know, all that kind of stuff, trying to get the production quality as high as I can. But all that time, we've been very limited by the space that we've been filming in, and this is going to fix that. We're also going to be putting in some RGB LED downlights as well. So there'll be actually 7 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a 7th one up above the simulator over here, and those are all going to be Wi-Fi controlled as well, so we'll be able to set routines and all that kind of stuff. There's going to be so many things that we're going to be able to do. But anyway, what we're going to be doing is basically time-lapsing the build of all of this. So I'll be doing a couple of videos over the next week or so as we sort of progress through the build. Now I've got professional builders and contractors coming in to do most of the work simply because I just don't have the time or the skills to do it myself. I will be painting, I will be doing all the furnishing and all that sort of stuff myself though. So we'll be making a few videos in there, but we might have a few disruptions on the channel this week just because there's going to be a lot of noise going on around and stuff, and I'm not going to have a whole lot of time free to do my normal sort of videos. So there might be a couple of days here and there where we don't get a video at all, but just know that this is what's going on in the background. So really exciting times. So just a quick video update today, but I also just wanted to say a massive thank you to all you guys that have been supporting on Patreon. You know, clicking the like button, subscribing, watching all the videos, purchasing your gear using the affiliate links that I have in the videos as well. It really has made a absolutely massive difference, and you guys are the reason why this is even possible. This is going to cost me a lot of money to do this, and I'm very happy to be able to say that it's all completely paid for by the channel and the effort that you guys have been putting in to support it. So thank you guys very much from the bottom of my heart for all of this. You guys are what's made this possible, and you can expect some awesome content coming very soon. So thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.